Hi, I'm Rush Wilson, and I'm going to tell you how to tie a bow tie today. So, get your bow tie. Generally, bow ties are adjustable, and I made an adjustment to fit my neck. How you're going to figure that out is through trial and error. Usually, bow ties on the inside have a scale that will help you find the right fit. If I'm a 16.5 in the neck, I'm going to make my adjustment there. Tying a bow tie seems to be very intimidating for a lot of people. And once you master tying a bow tie, you'll realize how easy it is. Tying a bow tie is exactly like tying your shoe. It's the same bow. And when you think of that, how hard could that be? But the problem is your hands are inverted and you're looking in a mirror trying to tie your bow tie. And then you're looking over here trying to make your right hand work, but it's actually over here, so it's confusing. But this should help you. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to make the right side of the bow tie, and I'm going to name each end. This is the open end of the bow tie, and this is the closed or folded end of the bow tie. So I usually lay down the right side where it's a little longer, and the left side is about halfway into the small part of the butterfly. Then I'm going to take the long side, wrap it, excuse me, let me button my collar. Wrap it over the short side and then up through. Tighten it up to my collar. Then you'll see the long side is now on the left, but still long. So with the short side, I'm going to fold it forward and make a bow, and then put the long end over the bow. Then I'm going to fold these two pieces of the bow together and stick my finger in this little loop, hold on to the front of the bow, and I'm going to take the long end, tighten it up, and pull it, and then tuck the middle part of the bow, the folded side, into the back of the bow I created, and then pull through. That's how you tie a bow tie. So the last part of tying a bow tie is looking in the mirror and making sure it's straight and adjusted where the ends are even with the bow. So you can move the bows together, pull your bow together, and it tightens your knot, and then you straighten it back out. So that's what the final touch in tying a bow tie.